Very good, very good. Soba. Mariako. Ngara habari. Very good. Okay, Mariako mheshimiwa. Mariako mkubwa. Hujamaliza? How are you? Hi. How are you, my dear? Very good. Mariako mheshimiwa. Hello. How are you? Introduce yourself. Hello. How are you? Morning. Okay, Mariako.
1, 2.
Welcome. Okay, how is the neighborhood? How are you, my friend? You're well? Welcome to Kenya. Okay, hello, how are you, Joseph? Very good, thank you. Balozi, how are you? Very good. Okay, welcome. You want to take one up? Djibouti, come. Okay, thank you. Are you Jacinta? Okay, Gloria Tabasco. Mariako, very good. Mariako, and your mudasi wa Spanish. Okay. Mariako, Rekio. Lilian Abadi. Very good. So well, Richard Abadi. Very good. Balozi, how are you? How are you? Good. How are you? Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello. Yes. How are you? Project of Kanja Police now. Yes. Good progress. Yes. Thank you very much. Hello. How are you? Yes. Thank you very much.
Yes, High Commissioner from Rwanda.
Habari.
Salam.
You're well?
Yes, Your Excellency.
Muzuri. How are you? I'm good.
Good morning, Your Excellency. My name is Eric Kairanga. I'm a technical advisor at the Regional Center on Small Arms, RECSA. Your Excellency, the fight against illicit weapons in our region began with the adoption of the Nairobi Protocol on Small Arms and Light Weapons. 1 year after, the center was created to implement the implementation of the protocol with the mandate given by the 15 member states of the Great Lakes region and Horn of Africa. After the creation of the center, some achievements have been registered, and my colleague is explaining some of the achievements.
Good morning, Your Excellency, sir. I'm Sergeant Janet Mugo from Kenya Wildlife Service, Regional Physical Security Management Senior Instructor. RECSA, in coordination with other stakeholders, we do capacity building to prevent illegal proliferation of firearms and to reduce insecurity, cattle rustling, and poaching in our region. Example here we have PSSM, Physical Security Stockpile Management Training, conducted in Nairobi in 2025, March this year, and this one was conducted in Democratic Republic of Congo in 2022. Also, we do gender mainstreaming, including women in our stockpile management. We also do arms marking for proper tracing and to distinguish the firearms with non-state actors and those with state actors. We also do training on proper storage purposes, for purpose of accountability, tracing also, and surveillance. Here we have the containerized armories for rural areas. These are examples. These are border police unit armory. We also do public awareness to show the impact of having illegal firearms in the wrong hands. And we show the impact to our community, and also we enhance them to surrender willingly so that we can keep our communities safe and secure. And because the firearm has a life cycle, to make sure our region is safe, we do the end product of destruction. We destroy both obsolete and illegal firearms. And these are the achievements of Nairobi Protocol. Thank you, Excellency. That is the end of my presentation.
Welcome, Your Excellency. My name is Oida Kashege from Kenya National Focal Point on Small Arms. after the creation of Nairobi Protocol on implementation of small arms initiative, it created the 15 countries national focal points. And those national focal points are charged to have initiatives on reduction of provision of illicit small arms through various means. And like parking, and my friend will continue.
Good morning, Your Excellency. I'm Richard Maura. I'm the Deputy Director, Small Arms and Light Weapons. Wish to present to you how we engage our firearms after they have been bought. For ease of tracing, we make sure that all the firearms that are being purchased by our security agencies are all marked, given a self-identifying number, and in that number, Your Excellency, of sorts, Your Excellency, which have 4 components. The first component is normally the ISO code for RECSA with a star. We have, each country has got the country code. We also have the security organization from which the firearm will be used. Then we have the identifier number. To do this, Your Excellency, we use machines that mark all the firearms. With your permission, we wish to demonstrate briefly how we mark the firearms. Kindly allow us to proceed. Thank you. These are officers, Your Excellency, who are trained under the coordination of the Regional Center for Small Arms and Light Weapons. We have different security agencies involved. We have the KDF and the NPS. Proceed. As I had explained earlier to Your Excellency, we have the star here, which is the RECSA ISO code, the country code, which is Kenya. The security organization, which is having the firearm, right now is the Kenya Army. Then we have the serial number identifying the individual firearm. Thank you, Your Excellency. We still also, Your Excellency, have the same kind of machine.
So this is a laser machine, I think?
Yes, Your Excellency. Then we have the same kind of machine that we use in areas that do not have continuous power supply. It is battery backed, but doing the same thing. This has gone a long way into helping us especially in northeastern region. The same concept as applied, and the firearm gets its identifier. Finally, Your Excellency, when the firearms are obsolete and they are beyond economic repair, we have several ways of destroying them. Well, one of them is using the machine crusher, which we also gotten through coordination of the RECSA office. With your permission, Your Excellency, this is a G3 LIVO that is obsolete. Imeisha.
Why?
It cannot be repaired, Your Excellency. So in a few seconds, it will be metal parts. So, with your permission, allow us to. It is completely done. And as per the requirements of the Public Disposal Act. Thank you, Your Excellency. Yes, sir. So that
What happens to those ones?
they are escorted for smelting.
Oh, for smoking.
Yes, Your Excellency. That marks the end of our display.